let's continue. So let's go back and open our folder. We need to export this Excel file into database. Let's go back in our folder, then right click in our folder, go to new, go to Microsoft Access database, then rename it as database financial data. Then we open it by double clicking, then wait as it opens. Let's press on enable content, then let's go to external data. We export from Excel, press Excel, then we'll see browsing the file name, go to browse. You must be knowing where you save that work or the file name. So you browse it, it was on desktop and the folder which was Ssekajja Ronald. Then you choose this Excel file. You first click on it to make it active, then you press open. After pressing open, then you press OK. After pressing OK, it will ask you which Excel file which Excel worksheet do you want to export. Then we have original work, we have column graph, highly paid pictures, then let us export original work. So you first choose. By choosing, you click, left click, don't double click, don't right click, only by left clicking using the left button of a mouse or a touchpad. Then after choosing that, press next. Then first row contains column headings, true. Then press next. Then here we have field options. Field options with type of data. You can decide to choose type of data on each of the field name. For instance, we have staff member ID number. You can come here and choose the type of data that you need to use by clicking on this arrow key here. By clicking on this arrow key here, so you can go on choosing. First click on the first column or field, you choose type of data here, then you click on next field name, you also do the same, then you go to another field name, do the same up to when you finish. After that, you press next. By pressing next, is asking us letting access choosing add the primary key or choosing my own primary key. So this is the best, choosing my primary key here. So what you do, what you do here, I press on choose my own primary key so that you can choose your own primary key. You click on choose my primary key. This is refusing, but we normally choose my primary key. Let's say you can choose staff member ID number. Then after you press next. After that, we shouldn't just press back or cancel. We say finish. If you press finish, don't just close. You have to first save these import steps. The steps that you have been going through, you must save them before closing. So you click on save import steps. After that, you press save import. So if you press on save import, that means you are done with all the steps. Then you can double click So it has come as a table. Yeah, because in Microsoft Access database we have objects, that is table, query, report, forms, relationships, and among others. So if you export the Excel file, it comes as a table among the objects of the database. So if you want to edit and remove other fields that are not needful, or to change the primary key, or where to put the primary key, you can right click here. For right click, you can first close. Right click here, you close. Then after right click here, you go to designing view. So going in the designing view, you can choose where to put a primary key. So I've chosen staff member ID number. Still here, you can decide to choose the type of data that will be entered. That will be entered on each of the field name. So I want to delete. If you want to delete this field that's not needful for you, right click on it. You go to delete law. To ask you, do you want to permanently delete this selected field? Yes. So after that, you go to right click, then go save. Then you can go back to the sheet view and see whether what you have deleted has worked out, or it has been deleted. Then, as you normally do in Excel, you can double click to maximize the size of the columns here in the database, as we did it, or as we normally do it in Excel. So that is it. That is it. So in the database, we just want to export. Just learning how to export from Excel to database. We are still handling Excel. That way, just like by the way, just to see how do we export from Excel to database. Then let's close. We want to save, yes. Then let's have another Excel file. We want to deal with school data. That is performance data, where we shall compute learners' performance analysis, where we shall compute total, average, position, status of the learner, or commenting, grading, minimum marks, maximum marks, median mark, among others. So right, senior 4, active integration results for ICT term 1 as our file name. Let's open. So we shall have columns. In the first column, we shall have student name, then we shall have subject names here. Okay, we shall change the file name. Shall name as normally senior for results. We shouldn't specify, because you need to compute for all subjects. Then we put subject names here: ICT, geography, mathematics, English, physics, chemistry. Those are enough. Then put total, average. Then we put position,